Hi everyone, I'm Hian. Today I would like to share with you a tip to save cost for living room plants. Are living room plants expensive? Decorating your living room with indoor plants has become a growing trend in many countries. Not only do plants add a fresh, natural touch to your home, but also they create a calming atmosphere and improve air quality. However, many people wonder, are living room plants truly expensive? Let's dive into the factors that affect the cost and explore some smart ways to start your living space with greenery without spending a fortune. The cost of living room plants depends on the type, size, and style you are looking for. Here are a quick overview of common options. So number one, small decorative plants. They are perfect for desk, coffee table, or bookshelf. They are compact and easy to care for, making them a budget-friendly choice. Typical price range from $10 to $30. Second, medium-sized plants, ideal for corners or side table. These plants are great for adding a subtle but noticeable touch of green. Price usually for between $30 and $80 depending on variety. The third, large indoor plants. These make a bold statement in any room, often placed near a sofa, window, or entryway. Price of the larger plants start around $100 and can go up to $300 or more, depending on the size and rarity. So, factors that influence the cost of plants. When it comes to buying indoor plants, several factors impact the price. First, type of plant. Common plants such as basic foliage variety are often more affordable. Rare or exotic plants, on the other hand, can cost significantly more. Another thing, size and maturity. Younger plants tend to be less expensive, while mature fully grown plants or grow with unique shapes like bonsai tree often command higher price. Another thing is planters and accessory. The pots you choose can greatly influence the overall cost. Handcrafted ceramic pots or modern minimalist planters can add to the expense, whereas recycled or plain plastic pots are much cheaper. Care and sustainability. Plants grow using sustainable practices or those purchased from special nurseries are often priced higher due to the quality and the care involved in cultivating them. So with the budget-friendly tips for decorating with plants in Canada. If you are on budget, here's some creative way to decorate your living room with plants. Shop local or second-hand. Check out local nurseries, farmer markets, or even online community groups for affordable deals. You may find hidden gems at great price. Reuse or DIY job planters. Use recycled items like old mugs, jars, or containers to create personalized planters. This not only saves money but also adds a unique touch to your decor. Mix real and artificial plants. High-quality false plants can blend seamlessly with the real ones, offering a low-maintenance option that looks just as beautiful. Choose low-maintenance plants. Offer hardy, easy-to-care-for plants, such as snake plants, pothos, or succulents. These plants thrive indoors and require minimal effort, saving you both time and money. So, decorating your living room with plants doesn't have to be expensive. By choosing the right plants and exploring creative ways to style them, you can create a vibrant, green living space on anybody's. Start small with affordable, low maintenance plans and build your collection over time. Whether it's a cozy corner or a dramatic central place, greenery brings life and energy to your home while reflecting to your personal style. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful or inspiring, don't forget to give it a thumb up and hit that subscribe button for more tips on decorating your space with style. Let me know in the comment which plants you'd love to add to your living room. See you in the next video.